In this integration, we have to find the value of cos to the power 4x minus sine to the power 4x, and in denominator it is written as root of 1 plus cos 4x. So you will write 1 plus cos 4x as cos square x minus of sine square x. So you will write the value as cos square 2x minus of sine square 2x. So everything will turns out to be 2 cos square 2x. So you will get in denominator as root of 2 cos square 2x, and in numerator you will write the value as cos square x minus of sine square x. Why? Because we are using the formula that is given as a square minus of b square, that is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So cos square plus sine square x will turns out to be 1. And here you will get 1 by root 2 cos square 2x minus sine square x can also be written as cos 2x, and here also you will get cos of 2x. So everything will get cancelled. You are having dx, so you will write 1 by root 2 and the integration of 1, that is equal to x. So you will get the answer as x by root 2 plus of c.